Modi government's massive 15,000 crore bonanza for Andhra Pradesh. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a host of development projects for Andhra in her budget speech.
Recognizing the state's need for a capital, we will facilitate special financial support through multilateral development agencies. In the current financial year, 15,000 crore rupees will be arranged with additional amounts in future years.
Centre's fund for Andhra is significant as NDA ally and CM Chandrababu Naidu's 25 MPs are crucial for Modi government's stability. Centre announced financial support for Andhra's new capital, Amravati, and full centre financing for Polavaram project apart from additional capital allocation for multiple projects. This initiative aims to boost infrastructure, create employment opportunities and enhance the overall growth of Andhra Pradesh. The special package comes in place of special status demand for Andhra and was well received by the ruling TDP, which thanked the Modi Sarkar.
వెంటిలేటర్ పై నుండి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థకి ఇప్పుడు ఆక్సిజన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇది ఆక్సిజన్ మాత్రమే, ఇది ప్రారంభం మాత్రమే. ఇక్కడి నుంచి మనం కూడా కష్టపడాలి, కేంద్రం సహకరించాలి. ఈ రెండు తీసుకొని మనం ముందుకు పోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. అదే మరిగా దేశ ఈరోజు మీరు చూస్తే కేంద్రం కూడా ఒక బడ్జెట్ పెట్టారు, చాలా పాజిటివ్గా ఒక ప్రోగ్రెస్ పాలసీ తీసుకొచ్చారు.
तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा नरेंद्र मोदी जी को, जिन्होंने एक वादा किया था कि आंध्रा की देखभाल हम करेंगे और उन्होंने आज किया है बजट के रूप में.
We are happy, but we will make sure that we'll put all the efforts to get more funds to the state.
But the opposition slammed Centre's fund to Andhra Pradesh, calling it a Pradhan Mantri Sarkar Bachao Yojana.
They have realized that this government, if it has to be saved for the next 5 years, they would need their alliance partners, and these alliance partners need to be kept happy.
Centre's special package for Andhra will help it cement ties with TDP, whose support is crucial for stability of Modi Sarkar. Bureau Report, India Today.